to chapter 4, lines and angles. Today we are going to discuss about adjacent angles, linear pair angles and some result based upon angle relation. So let us understand the adjacent angles. Your two angles are said to be adjacent. See the condition. A, O, B and C. Okay, you can see that your angle AOC and your angle BOC is adjacent. The reason, they have got the common vertex. So the first thing you should remember is common vertex. Common vertex. Right? Then they are having the common arm. You can see that in these two angles AOC and BOC, your OC is a common arm. So the second point is you should see for the common arm. Right? Now you can see here this OA and your OB are non-common arm for these two angles and they lie on the opposite side of the common arm. So the other two sides should lie on the opposite side of the common arm. So your third point is other two sides should lie on opposite side of common arm. Okay, so when these three conditions are satisfied, we say that angle AOC and angle BOC is your adjacent angle. Now you see here, if the sum of these two adjacent angles becomes 180, then they are said to be the linear pair. For example, the same figure I am drawing. This is A, this is O and this is B and this is C. You can see that the sum of these two is 180. So what is the condition required for linear pair? That the sum of two adjacent angle, if it is 180, then those adjacent angles are said to be your linear pair. Here also you can see this is your common vertex, OC is your common arm and your non-common arms, that is OA and OB, are on the opposite side of your OC and the condition is angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, that is for the linear pair. Now we are going to discuss theorem and its converse. Our theorem says that our first theorem is if a ray stands on a line. So what is given to us? A line and here a ray. Suppose O, this is A, this is B and this is C. Right? I'll make this figure here. This is A, B, O, C. You can see here AOB is a line and this ray OC stands on the line. Then the sum of the adjacent angles so formed is 180. Okay, so given OC stands on line AB. Okay, to prove angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, because you have to show that this is a 180 degree angle. So we will make a construction here. यहाँ पे हम लोग construction करेंगे. We'll draw one perpendicular. Right? You can see here OD is a perpendicular on AB. Right? Now just find out angle AOC. आपका angle AOC कितना हो जाएगा? Your angle AOC is equal to, this is your 90. So this will be equal to 90 plus angle DOC. Right? Find out angle BOC. Your BOC will be equal to आपका ये एंगल कितना हो जाएगा, ये पूरा 90 है, 90 में से आप DOC को क्या करेंगे, सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, दैट इज 90 माइनस एंगल DOC. When you add them, you can see here angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, क्योंकि ये आपका प्लस और माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So this is the very first result which we will be using in many questions, that if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two angle is equal to 180, or in other words we can say it forms a linear pair. Now its converse says that, let us come to the converse. In converse it is given if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, right? A, B, O, C. So what is given? Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. It's given. Then the non-common arms of the angles are in a straight line. So to prove that AOB is a straight line. Okay, that means collinear. They are collinear. Then only they will form the straight line. Now just see here. Now we will use the method of contradiction to prove this result. Right? We have to prove that AOB is a straight line. तो हम ये मान लेते हैं कि ये तो दिया हुआ आपका एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल BOC इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. नाउ लेट अस सपोजिशन यहाँ पे हम सपोज कर लेंगे. सपोज AOB इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, इंस्टेड का मतलब उसकी जगह पे इंस्टेड AOD is a straight line, right? इसका मतलब हमने ये मान लिया है कि हमारा ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है. AOB की जगह हमने मान लिया है कि AOD आपका क्या है, स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, इफ यू हैव अज्यूम दैट AOD is a straight line, then OC is a ray, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, then एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल COD इज इक्वल टू 180. दैट इज लीनियर पेयर, क्योंकि AOD आपका क्या है, स्ट्रेट लाइन है, और OC आपका उस पे रे है. तो ये आपका बट एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल BOC इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ये आपका क्या है, गिवन. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Now you can see here from these two, from 1 and 2, angle COD is equal to angle BOC. कैसे? जब आप इन दोनों को इक्वल करेंगे तो AOC आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड यूर लेफ्ट विद एंगल COD is equal to angle BOC. हम एक और स्टेप लिख देते हैं ताकि आपको कंफ्यूजन ना हो. एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल COD is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC. You can see that this is cancelled. Angle COD is equal to angle BOC. Now you can see here COD is equal to BOC, which is not possible क्योंकि COD उसका एक पोर्शन है और BOC पूरा एंगल है. Your part cannot be equal to whole as the Euclids. So COD is equal to BOC. आप लिखोगे part cannot be equal to whole. Therefore, our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. क्या supposition हम लोगों ने किया था कि AOB is not a straight line, तो वो आपका क्या है, wrong है. And hence यहां से हम कंक्लूड करेंगे. Thus That's AOB is a straight line. Straight line. You can say straight line or you can say they form the opposite ray. Opposite ray में आपको obviously two rays are said to be opposite. That means they are on the straight line. So you can see here. We have seen the theorem. Your theorem says if a ray stands on a straight line, then it forms a linear pair, and its converse is if it forms a linear pair, that means the two non-common arms form a collinear, and that means they are in the straight line. Thank you.